Hey guys, Alex from HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to talk about backrest for your 18 and newer Breakout and Fat Boy models. We offer them in black and chrome. They're going to come with all the docking hardware you need to install them. So let's get into the install. For your docking hardware, the metal dock is going to go in the front with the small spacer. The plastic grommet is going to go in the back with the larger spacer, and you can just go ahead and replace these one by one. We'll take out the front fender screw here. So you'll take small spacer, metal dock, the screw through. And these are going to be 7/32 Allens. We'll go ahead and tighten that down and move to the back. The 4 OEM fender screws are going to be a T45 Torx. The inside of this is chamfered, so you want to put, that's the end of the screw it's going to go into. So put that in there, thick spacer on the back, and tighten it up. Okay, same process on the other side here. Alright, now that you got your docks on both sides, you're ready to put the Sissybar backrest on. Put the slots from the docks in the front. Push them down until they lock in. Bring the backrest back. Make sure that your locks are orientated the right way. Go ahead and push it down. Lock them in.